So hey everyone, here we are with another Placewit story. तो today we are having Garvit with us. तो इनके पास यार मल्टीपल ऑफर्स है, इन्होंने 6 मंथ इंटर्नशिप भी करी है, फुल टाइम के भी मल्टीपल ऑफर्स है, सारी चीज़ें हम डिस्कस कर रहे होंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स इंट्रोड्यूस गर्वित. सो हे गर्वित, हाउ आर यू? इट विल बी ग्रेट इफ यू कैन इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ.
Yeah, hi Chirag, I'm fine. Yeah, sure. So yeah, hi everyone. My name is Garvit Rajput, and I'm a 2023 graduate from IIT Pune. And in terms of my work experience, I have done a 6 month internship at MoEngage as a software engineer intern. And currently, I'll be completing my 6 month internship at Amazon as a SD intern. And in terms of full-time offer, I have a full-time offer from MoEngage and ZS as well. And yeah, so full-time offer from Amazon is still pending.
Amazing yaar. So what is the SD intern experience as Amazon has been?
I think if I talk about specifically talk about internship at Amazon, so I think it is full of ups and downs. There are there was a time when I used to struggle in understanding problem and solving them, because there is a huge difference between what we used to solve in college and in the corporate life. But yeah, I think it's a good learning because I have explored almost every aspect of software development.
Exactly, amazing man, amazing. So let's get back to the way you started your journey, right? So when you were first year in the college, what were the things that you are having in mind कि college खत्म होने तक ये चीज़ें तो करनी है, and how you accomplished that?
I think in the first year I was not very sure on I was not very sure how I'll start my journey. But as I came in second year, I started my DSA preparation. I started going through core subjects. But after a preparation of 1 or 2 months, I basically gave up, because there was something that I was lacking was a structured learning. And that's where in the third year I came across Placewit program. And I think their program, their structured program, their mentors mentors who used to take a mock interview, and the teachers who used to teach us DSA course subject. I think that was the stuff that has really helped me. And at that point of time, I was very clear that I'll gonna make it into fan.
Amazing yaar, amazing. So how has your Placewit experience been? How they helped you in coding, how they helped you in interviews, how they helped you in real life projects and everything?
Okay, so I would say in terms of coding, I think their curriculum is a very structured. I think if you are lost into DSA, how you're gonna start your DSA journey, so I think one should definitely look into their coding program, these placement courses. And in terms of projects, I think I have done couple of projects while I was in Placewit, and those has really helped me in cracking interviews, because in interviews, apart from coding, you have to you have to be good in terms of project. You need to explain what you did as in back end and front end.
Storytelling is very important in that aspect. Yeah. So how has your interview experience been? Let's start with that only. That how you face interviews and stuff.
Okay, so I think one of the most important thing that I have observed in all of my interviews, so and that was keep calm, and your hard work will definitely pays you off. And
exactly.
That's what worked for me. Out of 7 or 8 interviews, I have cracked 3 companies.
Amazing yaar, amazing. You're having so much offers. So how does it feel to get so much offers?
I think when you have multiple offers, again you have a choice choice of your career growth, which company can help you in your career growth. Apart from that, you have a great learning that you can pass on to your juniors. I think that is the most important thing. You can pass your learnings to your juniors.
Exactly, and that's what we are doing right now, right? So Placewit helped you get such amazing offers. So one question I'm having in mind, that if you get one offer, how you get that energy to go and interview other company as well if you're having a previous offer? if there's one offer, you will be chill, right?
Yeah, I think that that's a good question. But in my case, when our placement season started, so I think that's the time where recession also started. So my ultimate goal was to have a backup. So I cracked one company in range between 10 to 15 lakh. Then I move on. I started doing more. I started practicing more number of questions, and then I cracked a company between 20 to 25 range. And finally, so when I was having a two offer, then I make sure ki like I have to practice a lot, and till the end of my college life, I need to crack a bank, and that's where I mean I will be soon completing my internship at Amazon.
Exactly. Amazing, yeah, amazing. So you have had an amazing journey, right? So what is one advice that you want to give to your juniors that will help them out?
Uh, I think one advice would be ki be consistent. I think there are a lot of students who are doing hard work, but if you are not consistent, then I think it will be very hard to even crack decent amount of package. But if you are consistent, so if I give my example, I started my DSA journey around January with Placewit, and in May I have cracked my first offer, in June in second offer, and finally in August my third offer. So I think consistency is the most important thing, and the second thing is ki, you need to know your areas of improvement. So if you are not aware of your weaknesses, then I think you will be continuing working on your strong skill, and weak skills will be left out.
Amazing, yeah, amazing. Exactly said, and I completely felt everything because I have gone through the same journey, and I can completely understand and relate that how important your words are. So whoever is watching this video, watch it very carefully. You can watch it again also, because the words that he has spoken are very great words that you can absorb, and that will definitely help you out to make your journey a little bit quick in this sense, right? So thank you, Garvit. Thank you for such an amazing session. I wish you all the luck for all the future endeavors. Thanks for being an amazing student of Placewit.
Thank you.
Thank you.